Do you live in an apartment and worried about the disposal of your kitchen garbage? Do you know the organic waste from your kitchen thrown into the garbage chute, ending up as landfill, accounts to the methane emission and contributes to the global warming? Don't worry, my dear friends, we have the solution. Here I'm showing you how I do composting in my apartment balcony in Dubai. Now, going through the things required. First is a compost bin. You can either buy a conventional compost bin or any container with a lid which is available at your home. You could use a bucket like this, like I do here. Also, a terracotta planted pot like this can also be used. Next is organic matter. It includes mainly peels of fruits and vegetables, eggshells, tea leaves, coffee grounds, etc. Next we need dry matter. You can add dry leaves, sawdust. Since I don't have access to both of these, I add newspaper pieces. But make sure not to add papers with glossy print and magazine covers. Garden soil is what I add as one of the main dry matter. Next item is the accelerator. An accelerator is required for speeding up the process of composting. You can use buttermilk, curd, rice soup, fermented dosa or idli batter, etc. for this purpose. Now these are the things you should avoid putting in your compost bin. I collect my everyday kitchen waste in containers like this and I keep it in the refrigerator. So by the end of the week, I'll be having 3 to 4 containers. By doing so, I can avoid flies and foul smell, and also I don't have to do the composting every day. Instead, I can keep them in the refrigerator and do it only once a week. Here I have taken a basin into which I have emptied all my containers with food waste. Give it a good mix and add accelerator. Here I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd water. That is, I have washed my curd container and poured that water into it. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice soup, fermented rice soup. Fermented rice soup is nothing but just cooked rice water kept in room temperature for 24 hours. So you get the fermented rice soup. In addition, I add 2 to 3 scoops of cow manure, garden soil and compost as well if available. Cow manure and compost act as an excellent accelerator and garden soil is added as a dry matter. This is one of my plastic bin with plenty of holes on its side. Today we are setting up in this terracotta pot. First we are lining the base with 2 to 3 inches of garden soil. Transfer all the contents into the pot and cover it with garden soil. When done, I just cover it with a plastic carry bag. You can continue adding the waste same way until the pot is full. This is after 1 week and I'm mixing well each week for aeration. If the ratio of dried to organic matter is correct, there will be no foul smell. Make sure you always add more dry matter compared to the organic matter. Within 2 to 3 months, your compost should be ready, and this is how it looks like. It has turned very black, spongy, and it has got very nice earthy smell to it. I spread these contents into a flat surface and let it sun dry for 2 to 3 days. The bigger pieces, if present, can be added back to your new compost pile. This will accelerate the process of decomposition. Now the compost has dried well and it looks exactly like soil, and this can be used to feed your plants. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos.